Hey guys, and welcome back to this autumn clean and decorate with me. So today I'm sorting out all my autumn and Halloween decorations, and I'm going to be decorating and cleaning in the living room and kitchen. In the living room I decided to clean and decorate as I go along. So starting with the TV unit, I'm just wiping everything down with my favourite multi-purpose cleaner from Method. And then I'm also using and finishing up my other favourite, which is the Cleanology glass cleaner. I decided to switch up the candle I had on the TV unit to one of my favourite autumn scents, Sweater Weather, which is from Bath and Body Works. And then I also added these DIY pumpkins, which I have a video on I did a few years ago. So I'll link that down below if you want to go and check that out. Moving on to the ladder shelf, I just wiped everything down again with the multi-purpose cleaner, and then I decided to add this beautiful glass vase, which I think looks very much like a pumpkin. This is actually from Next, and I just added inside some battery powered fairy lights just to add a bit of warmth to it. The other thing I did on the shelf was add some cotton balls to this owl ornament. This is actually a tea light holder, but I thought it would be nice to instead add some essential oils onto cotton balls, and the scent I'm using is Sweet Orange and Clove from Muji. This was actually in a Christmas pack, but they do really nice different types of essential oil scents. Next, I just cleaned all of the glass on the patio doors with the Wilko white vinegar spray. You guys know I love this in the spray bottle, plus it's under £2 as well. In the gold basket I have this beautiful grey pom-pom throw from HomeSense, which I decided to use on the sofa. So I just pulled this out and stopped the basket with some autumn magazine inspiration. Then I swapped out the throw on the footstool for this gorgeous one from Matalan. After I had cleaned the coffee tables, I then switched up the silver tray and added these cute little pumpkin coasters that I found at Laura Ashley. I also wanted to start building up my Halloween DVD collection, so I found Casper at a charity shop for only £1. Last but not least, I tidied up the sofa and added the pom-pom throw, and then I wiped down the side table and hoovered the floor. The next day I tackled the kitchen, starting off with washing up and drying some dirty dishes that were left over. I then use the Method multi-purpose cleaner again to just give everything a quick wipe down, as I had already deep cleaned in here a few days ago. Next I added some Halloween straws that I got from Poundland last year to the mason jar, but then I found this skull one which is from Wilko, so I decided to swap them out. I also added some Halloween napkins to use for dinner. I just popped them on top of the microwave, and then to line the fruit bowl I also used a napkin as well. My sister-in-law bought me these beautiful flowers for Ben and I's anniversary, so I just cut them up and put the yellow ones into the kitchen vase, and then the sort of pinky fuchsia ones I put in the living room. I picked up this spiced pumpkin candle last year from Primark, but I definitely want to pick up a few more autumn candles, as there's so many nice ones around this year. HomeSense have such a wonderful selection. If you've seen my autumn come shop with me. Finally, over by the coffee bar, I decided to add some pumpkin lights, which are from Poundland. I also put up a couple of other Halloween pieces here, including this cute Ray Dunn mug I found in HomeSense. They had so much from this brand. I know it's quite popular in America. But stay tuned, as I will be doing a Halloween and autumn kitchen and living room tour coming up in October. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and give this video a big thumbs up if you felt inspired to clean and decorate for autumn and Halloween. Have a great rest of the week or whatever you're doing, and I will look forward to seeing you in my next video. Take care, bye.